installing the rolls upper strut bar on the MK6 GLI. Got these brackets here. It's actually a pretty easy install. You just have to worry about this plastic piece up in the front, and then 3 screws on your strut tower housing, and then you feed your strut bar kind of through this channel. So, still installing the Rolls Performance upper strut bar on the car, and it's gone good, but I wanted to make this video just to make sure if anybody else puts this on, it's actually really easy. But just keep in mind, when you're torquing things down, you may get to a spot like I just did where you can't completely bolt down one of your, or you can't completely screw down one of your screws here, but it's probably because you have the bar and the bracket that connects to the strut housing too tight. So what I did was I just left those that are in camera right there, I left those bad boys a little untight on both sides, and then I went and tightened it, sorry. I went and tightened the one in the back closest to that area first, a little bit farther, and then I did the other two increasingly more as I went on. So that seemed to do the trick. So I just want to put that out there because I couldn't get, it wasn't on this side, but it was on this side. I couldn't get that back one to go in straight. So just keep that in mind when you're putting this bad boy in.